Hello guys, review Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus, this version 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, model KJ7, open box and look complectation. In complectation we have on this protected back cover and protected glass, very good, device in the white color. Okay, in device we have 120Hz curved AMOLED display, main camera 108 megapixels, front camera 32 megapixels, G99 Ultimate processor by MediaTek, stereo dual speaker, and we have 8+8 extended RAM, NFC of course, and other completation, adapter for charging 33 watt max with quick charge adapter, key for SIM slot, and this we have Type-C cable and headphones. Full complectation, full max complectation, headphones, quick charger, protected back cover and protected glass. Perfect. Okay. Device. Triple camera on the back side, LED, downside Type-C port, slot for 2 SIM card, speaker, second speaker, device without headphones jack, on this side power button and warm buttons, and fingerprint scanner in display. Okay, open settings and look about phone information, high OS version 13.6.0, version Android 14, rear camera, triple camera, front camera, 32 megapixels, battery 5000 mAh, and display AMOLED Full HD Plus resolution 120 Hz. Perfect. Look, Geekbench 6 results. We have GPU Mali G57MC2. Look results, single core score, multi-core score, GPU test results, and Antutu benchmark results. Okay, very good. PUBG Mobile works on the high graphic level on this device. Okay. And open camera. AI cam 1x 3x mode, 10x time scope, video 1x 3x. We can record 2K 30 fps or Full HD 60 fps. Film mode, portrait mode, super night, and other modes. Camera. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.